Hi, Bright Buddies! I'm Teacher Lily. Today we're learning vehicles and their sounds. Let's listen carefully. Let's go! We're on the city road. I see a red car. A car says vroom and vroom. Can you say vroom? Great! At the bus stop. This is a blue bus. A bus says beep beep. Say beep beep. Nice! At the fire station. This is a fire truck. It says wee wee woo. Say wee woo. Awesome! Look at the police car. It says woohoo! Woohoo! Say woo! Good job! At the hospital. This is an ambulance. It says Nina. Nina. Say Nina. Great! On the highway. This is a motorcycle. It says train station. This is a train. It says choo choo. Say choo choo. Nice. At the airport. This is an airplane. It says whoosh. Say whoosh. Great. Look up in the sky. This is a helicopter. It says, chop, chop, chop. Say chop, chop, chop. Awesome! At the lake, this is a boat. It says, toot, toot. Say toot, toot. Toot, toot. Wonderful! On the farm, this is a tractor. It says, vroom, vroom. Say vroom. Nice! In the neighborhood, this is a garbage truck. It says clank, clank. Say clank. Good! At the construction site, this is a bulldozer. It says rumble, rumble. Say rumble, lad. Great! At the racetrack, this is a race car. It says zoom, zoom. Say zoom, zoom. You did amazing! You learned so many vehicle sounds. If you love learning with me, tap like and subscribe. See you next adventure!